Namaskar, my dear parents, students, and educators. I am Dr. D.K. Sinha, Principal of Jagran Public School, Noida. Today, I am excited to share a powerful story, one of transformation, vision, and the future. It is a story of how early STEM and STEAM education through the fire robotics and Atal Thinking Lab is shaping young minds at our school. It fills me with immense pride to share before you that coming of a new era which is defined by innovation, intelligence, and boundless possibilities. The era of AI, artificial intelligence. Even before the launching of future technologies, digital skilling event for skilling, upskilling, and reskilling under the aegis of AICTE, NEAT, and CBSE on 6th June 2022 by Honorable Minister of Education Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, we have introduced skill education after establishing two important labs in our school, robotics and Atal Thinking Lab in collaboration with Fiji Robotics Solution and Niti Aayog, Government of India, in the year 2017 and 2021 respectively. Under Make in India initiative and performance incentive linked schemes, India has received 385 billion US dollar investment in the last 8 years, which means India is going to be a global manufacturing hub, empowering 4 crore higher education students and recent graduates to access industry-aligned courses for skilling and upskilling is key for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Continuous upskilling is the driving force for making India the global digital talent hub. As you are aware, emerging technology are the need of the hour. It is required to upgrade the higher education students in the area of future and emerging technologies, that is artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, cyber security, data analyst, extended technology, full stack developer, gamification or GitHub, hypertext marker language, HTML5, and IoT, Internet of Things for future. New education policy has laid huge emphasis on vocational courses for school students. Through digital skilling, initiative skilling, upskilling, and reskilling 1 crore students in the emerging technologies. AI is no longer a distant dream. It is a here, it is a now, and it is rapidly reshaping every facet of the world form. How we communicate and learn to solve complex problems and create new things. CEO of Google, Mr. Sundar Pichai, has rightly said, the future of AI is not about replacing humans. It is about augmenting human capabilities. Dear parents, the jobs, the industries of tomorrow's, and the solution to the world's most pressing challenges will be integrated with AI. By equipping your wards with AI, you are not just preparing them for a career, but also you are empowering them to be leaders, innovators, and problem solvers in the rapidly evolving global landscape. As per the AICTE, NEAT, SAIL, and Gubi EdTech company, artificial intelligence and machine learning will create 85 million jobs by 2028. Data analytics is supposed to create 11 million jobs by 2027. Millions of opportunities will be open for skilled and trained workforce in the coming years. As a principal, my primary responsibility is to ensure that our students are not just passive observers of this revolution, but active participants, the architects of its future. We will provide your wards with the resources and the guidance and the support they need to embark on this incredible journey. In today's world, simply learning facts is not enough. Students must learn how to question, build, and solve. That is the essence of STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And when we add A, that is the integration of arts, we unlock creativity through STEAM. At Jagran Public School, we introduce these frameworks early because we believe curiosity is at its peak in childhood. Not just to use technology, but to understand it, design it, and improve it. That is why we partnered with the Fire Robotics solution. Now, the Fire Robotics and Adult Thinking Labs are not just rooms full of machines. It is a space where ideas come to life. It brings together electronics, robotics, aero modelings, and 3D printing under one roof. Students learn by doing. They tinker, explore, fail, and try again. They build smart lights, 3D print useful tools, and even test models of drones. We have seen a dramatic shift. Students are more confident, more curious, and more expressive. They don't wait to be told what to do. What to do? They ask, what can I make next? Even your youngest learners are building with real-world tools. Their problem-solving skills are exceptional. Their ability to think creativity is growing each day. Teachers too have embraced this change. They work hand in hand with the lab team to think classrooms, learning to real application. A science teachers explain circuits using a robotics project. An art teacher explore 3D design, and a student. This is integrated learning at its best. You as a parent must even seen the difference. You too must have observed that your children are now more engaged, more focused, and more excited about learning than even before. Some of you are surprised when your child explains what a sensor does or how a 3D printer works. That is the Fire Labs in action, turning interest into insight. Our goal is not just to prepare students for exams, but to prepare them for life. Jobs of the future will demand skills in automation, AI sustainability, and innovation. And our students are already learning those things right here in this lab. We are proud to be one of the first schools in Noida to implement a STEM and STEAM education at such an early stage. I am honored to share with you all that these efforts was duly recognized by CBSE too. When our school was awarded with CBSE Sahodaya Model Award 2022 for best use of STEAM learning in classrooms. In CBSE Sahodaya 7th Annual Conference 2023 by then Secretary CBSE Mr. Anurag Tripathi. Dear students, I welcome you all to visit our AI labs, talk to the instructors, experts, teachers, and discover the endless opportunities that await you. The AI lab is not about gaining technical skills, but about developing critical thinking, fostering creativity, and nurturing your problem solving abilities. Let all of us collectively embark on this exciting journey, building a future where human creativity and artificial intelligence work hand in hand to create a better world. Thank you.